Welcome to video number 7. We're going to talk about your lead magnet, which is crucial. If you do not get your lead magnet right, then oftentimes you will attract people with very different mindsets, very different audiences. And when they get to your front end offer and to your one-time offer, it really doesn't make sense to them, especially if it is not congruent. And that's why we take a piece of everything and we move backwards. By doing that, you create a lead magnet that is super targeted to everything from here on out. Your front end offer, one-time offer, everything. So that's how you create a high converting funnel. Okay, so we left off at the front end offer. What I want you to do is think of the top 5 questions that one would ask in relation to the content that you already have. So looking at the front end offer, what I want you to do is extract parts of the front end offer, such as, video, audio, ebooks, reports. Basically, what you're trying to do is create content pieces, part of the whole, and give it away for free. So essentially what I mean by this, let's say, for example, taking the previous example, with the front end offer was an ebook with information on how to save taxes, maybe the top 20 things that you forgot to deduct off of your taxes. So maybe out of that content, you try to find the top 5 questions out of that content that somebody would ask and that you've already covered. So maybe one of those items happened to be, your 401k or your traditional IRA. So traditional IRAs, you don't really need to know exactly the details. By investing money into a traditional IRA rather than a Roth IRA, for example, you can save money from your taxes. So it's not the typical thing that people think about, but it's something that you can use to save taxes on. So maybe you could take a piece of that and you could kind of pinpoint the questions about that, and then you can turn it into a video, audio, ebook, or report. So that's what I mean by this right here. So you're creating many pieces of content, little parts of the whole. And by doing this, you're creating little mini lead magnets. So you could essentially create many lead magnets. And if somebody with the mindset of, I want to save taxes, I want to figure out what I can deduct that I haven't already deducted, and they sign up for that list, they get that free report, video, ebook on how to save taxes, they learn something really good. You present them with a front end offer that gives them more tips on saving taxes. They're more likely to actually buy your front end offer, your one-time offer, your high-end ticket, and things like that. So even if you were a service-based business, you could still find ways to give away tips, advice, content through videos, different audios, different platforms, and things like that. Now, because you work backwards, everything from your lead magnet to your front end offer, to all your one-time offers, to all up to the point of your expensive one-time offer is congruent. This means if you track somebody in the beginning, they're going to be interested all the way to the end. Once you have your lead magnet in hand, then what you can do is you can take one of the 5 freebies or how many that you want to start out with, and you want to start implementing them. So what you want to do is you want to set them up on a squeeze page. And a squeeze page essentially is a landing page that presents the offer or presents the freebie and tries to get them to sign up onto your email list. Now, there are many different programs that allow you to set up squeeze pages. One of them is LeadPages.net. Lead Pages is great templates. In fact, I'd say probably their advantages are their templates. OneMinuteSites.com, they have okay templates. Their templates are a little bit harder to edit, but they're good if you need the basics. Lead Pages, in my opinion, have a lot better templates, better editing system, but OneMinuteSites.com also has some good systems as well. But LandingPageMonkey.com, great for video motion backgrounds, creating squeeze pages very, very easily, and it's very, very powerful. Now let's move on to video number 8 and talk about some practical application.